The pandemic and that alarming news from the CDC acknowledging that, quote, the war has changed because of the Delta variant. Officials now say it is as contagious as chickenpox, spreads faster than the common cold and seasonal flu, and that a vaccinated person who becomes infected can pass it on just as easily as someone who is not vaccinated. All eyes right now on Provincetown, Massachusetts, an outbreak of nearly 900 people. 74% of them were fully vaccinated, and we are there tonight. And the breakthrough cases on the Royal Caribbean cruise ship, 6 passengers testing positive, 4 of them fully vaccinated. Even still, the CDC is stressing that vaccines strongly protect against serious illness and death. Tonight, more than 190 million people have received at least one dose. That's 67% of everyone 12 and older. Dr. Jha is standing by, but ABC's Steve Osensami leads us off at the CDC in Atlanta.
Public health officials are trying to warn Americans tonight that the fight against the coronavirus has changed dramatically after looking at the latest outbreaks around the world. They believe that this new Delta variant of the coronavirus can be more than 3 times as contagious as Ebola, bird flu, and the common cold. Just one person sick with the original strain of the disease could easily infect an average of 2 to 3 people in close contact. That number could now be up to 9 people with the Delta variant, according to the CDC.
I started to get a fever, and that's when I kind of knew, oh, this is it. This is COVID.
Johnny Chagnon is one of nearly 900 new cases of COVID-19 that came from what scientists believe is an outbreak of the new Delta variant in Provincetown, Massachusetts. He's a public health department employee from Vermont and says he and his friends were fully vaccinated.
We were partying, like I said, partying like it's 2019 and pretending like the pandemic never happened. I've heard of dozens or even more than 100 cases of people that I'm connected to personally who tested positive. Within my close circle of friends, there's about 10.
Authorities say that 90% of the people they've tested so far were sick with the Delta variant, and that about 74% of state residents who were infected were fully vaccinated. It's similar to the outbreak on this cruise ship in the Bahamas. 4 of the 6 people being flown home tonight were fully vaccinated. Our correspondent Trevor Alt is in Provincetown this evening, where face coverings are now required everywhere.
After the year we had, or the 18 months that we had, putting a mask back on or getting a shot in the arm, it's nothing. It's not a lot to ask.
It's not just Provincetown. On Broadway and New York City, you'll now need to be wearing a mask and show proof you've been vaccinated to see a show. But people aren't always loving the old rules returning.
We're not doing masks again in our family.
At this school board meeting in Florida, parents upset with wearing masks had to be shown the door.
Please escort him out.
It's ridiculous. You should be ashamed of yourselves.
Today, America woke up to its highest number of daily new cases since early February, more than 86,000. More use of the vaccines will certainly help, and to that end, the federal government says it's working as fast as possible to get full FDA approval for the Pfizer vaccine. Some people refuse to get the shot without this. While leaving the White House tonight, the president was asked if Americans should expect to see more restrictions because of the increasing number of COVID-19 cases, and he responded, quote, in all probability. Cecilia.
Okay, Steve, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.